Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to EA English Production. Today we have some question and answer. That is the 24 Learn English Online with Emran Ali. Along with I have today Talat. Hi Talat, how do you do?
Hi, I'm okay. What about you?
I'm good, thank you very much. You would be excited to know that today we have some questions. They will be really helpful for you. They are daily use and generally used
Okay.
in our life of spoken English. So get ready. I will question, you will answer. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to know what name is it?
My name is Talat.
Okay, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं?
I, I live in UK.
Tell me about your family. अपनी family के बारे में बताइए.
I'm belong to a religious family. I'm married. I have two kids. I have two sisters.
Okay. As you said you're married, so what does your husband do? आपके खामन क्या करते हैं?
He is an electrician.
That's fine. Where do you live right now?
I live in Slough.
Could you please tell me the country name?
UK. I live in UK.
Okay, that's fine. Where did you live before? पहले आप कहाँ रहते थे?
I lived in Pakistan.
That's fine. That's very well. Do you wanna go old place in Pakistan?
Yes, I would like to go.
What is your job? आपकी नौकरी क्या है?
Uh, I do work in restaurant.
Yeah. Okay. Do you support your family? क्या आप अपनी फैमिली को सपोर्ट करती हैं?
Yes, I do.
Do you work for yourself?
Yes.
Do you cook at home? क्या आप घर पर खाना बनाते हैं?
Yes, I do.
How often do you eat out? आप कितना मर्तबा या कितनी रूटीन में बाहर से खाते हैं?
Twice a week.
Twice a week. How often do you eat out? आप बाहर से कितनी बार खाना खाने जाते हैं? Okay, twice a week. Do you work?
Yes, I work.
Why do you work? आप क्यों काम करते हैं?
I want to support my family.
What do you work? आप क्या काम करते हैं?
I work in a restaurant.
When do you work? What time?
I work 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock.
Okay, first question was do you work? क्या आप काम करते हैं? Second question was
Yes, I
why
do.
do you work? Let me speak to you. Why do you work? आप क्यों काम करते हैं? Third question was what do you work? आप क्या काम करते हैं? Next question was when या फिर what time do you work? आप किस वक्त काम करते हैं? Alright. Okay. About the sports, do you play cricket? क्या आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं?
No, I don't.
Okay. Did you play cricket? क्या आपने कभी क्रिकेट खेला?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I didn't play. When did you play any game last time?
In my childhood,
Okay,
I played
in your
tennis.
childhood you played.
In my
What
childhood,
game was that?
yes. Badminton.
Badminton. So my question would be about badminton. How often do you play badminton?
Every day.
Do you play? Do you mean कि आजकल रूटीन में?
Okay. Routine.
Do you? मेरा क्वेश्चन गौर से सुनिएगा. मैंने ये नहीं पूछा कि हाउ ऑफन डिड यू प्ले, कि आप कितने खेला करते थे. मैंने ये पूछा है हाउ ऑफन डू यू, मतलब आप कितना खेलते हो. तो क्योंकि आपने बोला कि अब मैं गेम नहीं खेलती, मैं लास्ट टाइम चाइल्डहुड में थी तब खेली, सो इट डजेंट मीन कि अब मैं आपसे चाइल्डहुड का सवाल कर रहा हूँ. मैं अब आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप डू यू को गौर करें, हाउ ऑफन कितनी दफ़ा, डू यू प्ले आप खेलते हो, मतलब खेलते हो या नहीं खेलते हो अभी.
No, I don't.
सो वाई यू सेड के एवरी डे.
Oh, I thought in my childhood.
ना, आई एम नॉट
Sorry.
आस्किंग इफ़ इट वाज चाइल्डहुड. अगर ये चाइल्डहुड में क्वेश्चन होता तो फिर यूँ होना था, हाउ ऑफन डिड यू प्ले, डिड यू प्ले.
Play.
नाउ यू गॉट माई
Okay.
पॉइंट. फिल वक्त डू यू प्ले है, खेलते हो. हाउ मच डू यू लाइक प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, आप क्रिकेट खेलना कितना पसंद करते
Mm,
हैं.
I don't like to play
As I
cricket.
don't like playing cricket and I don't play anymore. Okay.
I
What
don't play.
do you eat? आप क्या खाते हो?
Rice.
Okay. What do you eat? आप क्या खाते हो? You said I eat rice in your daily routine. But अगर मैं ये पूछना चाहूँ कि आप क्या खा चुके हो, so what have you eaten?
What have I? I had bread and tea.
Come again, please.
I had bread and tea.
I have
Had.
eaten. I have. You should use. जो क्वेश्चन हैव में है वो हैव में जवाब देना, जो हैड में है वो हैड में जवाब देना. ये क्वेश्चन मेरा गौर से सुनिएगा. What have you eaten?
I have eaten bread and tea.
I have eaten. Yeah. अगर मेरा सवाल होता What had you eaten? So
I had eaten bread and
okay,
tea.
that's fine. My question is to you. What have you eaten? आप क्या खा चुके हो?
I have eaten bread and tea.
Yeah. Have you answered this? What have you eaten?
I have eaten bread and tea.
इसका तर्जुमा.
मैं खा चुकी हूँ
Yeah.
ब्रेड
Good.
एंड
What do
चाय.
you want to eat? आप क्या खाना चाहते हैं? या फिर What would you like to eat? दोनों same questions.
I would like to eat biryani.
Okay. Would you like to खाना चाहेंगे, खाना पसंद करेंगे, और want to eat मतलब खाना पसंद करेंगे. Okay. What do you have in breakfast? आप नाश्ते में क्या लेते हैं? What do you? ये do है. It means कि ते हैं, ता हूँ, इसमें मेरा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. What do you have in breakfast? तो इसका जवाब भी I have में होना चाहिए.
Okay.
हाँ. Come on.
I have cereal.
Okay. I have cereal. अगर मेरा सवाल हो What did you have, कि आपने क्या लिया, तो फिर ये जो आपका जवाब है वो सेकंड वर्ब में चला जाएगा. हैव की बजाय हैड आ जाएगा. क्या आ जाएगा?
Had.
Had. We would use had instead of have, क्योंकि did में पूछ रहा हूँ. Anyway, what have you had in breakfast? आप ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खा चुके हैं, क्या ले चुके हैं? What
I
have you
had
had?
cereal. I had cereal.
I have had breakfast
I had.
of cereal. Okay. What had you taken in breakfast yesterday? आपने कल के नाश्ते में क्या ले चुके थे?
I had bread and tea.
My question to you. What have you taken in breakfast? आप ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या ले चुके हैं? What have you taken?
I have. I have.
I have taken cereal, right?
I have taken cereal.
Okay.
I have taken
What about
cereal.
what had you taken in breakfast yesterday?
I had
Taken cereal. Okay.
eggs.
Do you have children at home? क्या
Yes,
आपके
I
घर में
have.
बच्चे हैं?
Yes, I have.
How many children do you have? कितने बच्चे हैं आपके?
I have two children.
How many? कितने? Alright. Which child do you like the most?
Little one, younger one.
Okay, the little one. What name of him?
Harun Khan.
Which child does like you the most? आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कौन पसंद करता है?
My eldest one.
Okay. What name?
Hashim Khan.
Okay, that's fine. Wonderful. Nice names. Since how long have you been in UK?
Sorry,
Since
sorry,
how
sorry.
long have you been in UK?
22 years.
Since 22 years. Since last 22 years. Since
Since
last
last
22 years, okay?
since last 22 years.
At what
22
year?
years.
At what year did you come UK first time? आप पहली बार UK में किस सन में आए थे?
I came to UK 1999.
Okay. When last time did you visit Pakistan? आखिरी बार पाकिस्तान कब आए?
2 years ago.
Is any of your siblings living in Pakistan? क्या आपके बहन भाइयों में कोई पाकिस्तान में रहता है?
Yes. My sisters live.
Answer me please.
My sisters live in Pakistan.
You should say my sisters live, okay? You should answer me fully.
My sisters live.
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 Do you know how to cook? क्या आपको खाना पकाना आता है?
Yes, I do.
Do you know cooking?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you know how to drive? क्या आपको गाड़ी चलाना आती है?
Yes, I do. How to
Sorry?
drive. Yes, I do.
Okay. Have you learned driving?
Yes, I learned.
I have learned.
I have learned.
When did you learn driving? आपने कब ड्राइविंग सीखी थी?
20 years ago. Since 20 years ago.
You should say I learned driving 20 years ago.
I learned driving.
Listen the question carefully and then answer according to my question. Do not shortly say yes, no, 20, 25, there, here. These are not suitable answers.
Okay.
When did you learn driving? I learned driving. Have you learned driving? Yes, I have learned driving. Do you know how to drive? Yes, I know how to drive. You should repeat the answer into according to my question, okay? For example,
Okay.
do you know how to cook? Yes, I know how to cook. Do you know how to drive? Yes, I know how to drive. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I know how to drive.
Have you learned driving?
Yes, I learned.
I have learned driving. Yes, I have learned
Yes, I have.
driving. Have you learned driving?
Yes, I have learned. Yes, I have
When
learned.
did you learn driving? ये did है, गौर कीजिएगा.
Yes.
इसमें आपने सेकंड फॉर्म में जवाब देना है. इसमें जो वर्ब है वो लर्न है, आपने इस लर्न को सेकंड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. मेरे क्वेश्चन में डिड आ रहा है, इस वजह से मैं इसको फर्स्ट फॉर्म में लेके आ रहा हूँ, बट आपने सेकंड फॉर्म में जवाब देना है. When did you learn driving?
I have learned
I learned driving
I learned
20 years ago.
driving
Okay.
20 years ago.
Which country do you wish to go?
I wish to go. I wish to go Pakistan.
Have you ever met an accident?
Yes,
Yes, I have
I
met.
had a, yes, I have met.
Was it mild or catastrophic one? क्या वो हादसा छोटा था या बड़ा?
Um, it was a catastrophic
Catastrophic
one.
one. Okay. Who is your favorite personality to meet?
Uh, I would like to meet Mufti Mank.
Okay, that's wonderful. Do you like summer? क्या आपको गर्मियाँ पसंद है?
I yes, I do like summer.
Yes, I like summer. What weather is like these days? आजकल मौसम कैसा है?
It's cloudy and rainy.
Have you ever seen hailstorm?
Yes, I
Yes,
seen.
I have seen.
Yes, I have seen.
Do you like rain?
No, I don't like rain.
Okay. Do you boil the water before drinking? क्या आप पानी पीने से पहले पानी उबालती हैं?
No, I don't boil the water.
Do you boil the water before drinking?
No, I don't.
Okay. Why? Because there is no need to
Mm,
boil it. It's already pure and it meets the requirement. Have you ever told a lie in your life?
yes, I have.
Oh wow. How dare you are. Have you ever helped the needy? क्या आपने कभी ज़रूरतमंद लोग
Yes,
की मदद की है?
mm, yes, I had help.
Have you ever driven the car?
Yeah, I drive every day.
Yes, I have driven the car.
Yes, I have driven the car.
My question is starting with the have. You should answer with the have, and have needs third form. My question
Driven.
is with the have. Have you ever told a lie? Have you ever helped? Have you ever driven the car? So you should answer me in the same pattern. Yes, I have. No, I don't have. Yes, I have. Have you ever told a lie? Yes, I have told a lie. Have you ever helped the needy? Yes, I have helped the needy. Have you ever driven the car? Yes, I have driven the car. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, let's proceed to the next questions. They are very important. Do you think before speaking? क्या आप बोलने से पहले सोचते हैं?
Yes, I have.
Uh, do you? My question is starting with do you not have? You should say
Sorry, sir.
yes, I think before speaking.
Uh,
Do
sorry, I
you
get
think
confused. Sorry, sir.
before speaking?
Yes, yes, I think. Yes, I
Yes, I think
think.
before speaking.
Yes, I
Yes,
think before.
I think before speaking. Do
Yes,
you offer
yes,
prayer
I.
before sleeping?
Yes, I offer. Yes, I do offer pray.
Okay. Do you inform your family before going?
Yes, I do. Inform family before I go.
Okay. Do you have tea or take tea before after eating?
Um, yes, I take tea after eating meal.
Okay. When last time you made an appointment for the doctor?
Um, 2 days ago, I met the doctor.
Have you ever got fined by the traffic police?
No, I don't.
Have you ever got scared while being alone?
Yes, I get scared, but
Okay.
when I'm alone,
Have you ever fought with a stranger?
no, I don't.
Have you ever fought with stranger?
No,
No,
I
I
didn't
have
fight.
never fought. Okay.
I
Have
have
you ever
never.
got fined by the traffic police? Yes, I've got. Have you ever got scared? Yes, I've got scared. Have you ever fought? No, I have not fought. You got my
Fought.
point.
Yeah. No, sorry.
Do you like eating fish?
Yes, I do like eating fish.
Don't use do. Directly say I like eating. Do you like having tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you like meeting your friends?
Yes, I meet my. Yes, I do
Do you
like
like
meeting my
eating
friend.
chocolates?
No, I don't like. I don't eat chocolate.
Okay, that's fine. Just few questions left. How long can you keep waiting? आप कितनी देर इंतज़ार कर सकते हो?
Mm, I can wait for 2 hours.
Okay, how long can you keep speaking? आप कितनी देर बोल सकते हो?
Um, I can speak for 30 minutes.
How long can you keep crying?
5 minutes. I can crying for 5 minutes.
How long can you keep sleeping?
I can sleep 7 hours
For 7 hours.
or 7 hours.
How much do you sleep? आप कितना सोते हो?
Uh, I can sleep
I sleep for 7 hours.
6 hours.
How long do you keep sleeping? I keep sleeping for 7 hours. Okay. What time do you sleep and what time do you wake up?
Mm, I sleep 9 o'clock and wake up 6 o'clock.
What is the first thing you do after getting up?
I offer my prayers.
That's great. Can you easily trust the people?
Yes, I do.
Had you ever got dodged by someone? क्या कभी आपको किसी ने धोखा दिया?
No, nobody gave me
Okay. Do you love
ghost.
reading books?
Yes, I do like
Do you
reading
enjoy
books.
learning with the English?
Yes, of course, I like
That was so nice of
learning
you. These are the
with
questions that we had
them.
discussed now. They were really important and they were be used and they are used in our daily life. So we have a lot of questions regarding this. So little by little and gradually we will practice these questions with answers. Answers would be yours, questions would be ours. Okay. That was so nice to be with you. Talat, thank you so much, and Madam Sabahat, thank you so much for being with us. Inshallah, we'll
You
be back to you soon.